Wagwan, wagwan. You don't know it's Island Boy Africa. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, so in today's video, guys, I know you see from the title already, so you have an idea. So today, guys, I'll be working on my van project here. Is me so this is my brother-in-law van, is me, which is a Benz. You guys can see there. Is me. So what I'll be doing today, guys, I'll be helping him work on this van. Is me. And yeah, he's gonna show me the ropes of how to cut out the patches and all that, and possibly might be welding, is it? So bear in mind, it's my first time using any of these machines, so stick around for this, guys. Something new, is it me? Yeah, man. So I hope you guys will enjoy this content. Yeah, man. So we on a roll now. Let's go now.
This island, boy. Yeah.
Put your glasses on like that. And then you start it like this. Push it down. Lift your hands out. Yeah. Then grab it like this. Look. So grab it like that.
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Just can't get your hands bent.
Yeah.
And then like that.
Okay.
This will fall off. And you got the tools here to get them off. You break them off if you want. And then stand it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very tricky.
Yeah.
So like that. Maybe I'll put spark on your face. Everything.
Okay.
Yeah. Here you go.
Alright, let's try it out.
You might go. So be careful with that.
Oh,
Hold it.
have to hold it firm.
Yeah. It's very loud.
Yeah.
I'll open that door for you if you want. So on like that. Let's go down, turn it off.
Yeah.
Push in. And then yeah.
Okay.
Watch your feet hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you was mate. Got it up.
Oh my god. So this already cut.
Yeah, I already
this
started a little bit. Yeah, just follow the line. Now follow the line straight there. I touch where you touch.
Kinda.
Don't be scared. Slowly. Just move it, let it lunch it, and then slowly.
Oh.
Don't be scared, don't be scared. Hold it nice and
Sparks, right? Scary looking too.
man, have another go, don't worry. Yeah, on first, yeah, let it run, the machine push.
Not yet. Just scary, man.
Oh, yeah,
It feels like they're falling in my eyes.
You've got protection, it won't go in your eye.
Yeah.
So you just put the blade like this, look. Slowly, and then move like this.
Okay.
Yeah, straight up. Yeah, straight in. Watch.
That was quick.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta so when you grind,
Yeah.
machine running always.
Yeah.
And then straight up, slowly.
Yeah.
It'll cut through. And then you got your groove. You got to be careful on the kicks.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Up. Straight up. You'll kick again a little bit.
Yeah.
And then do your cut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good job. Yeah, man. Well, you went outside the line.
Yeah.
Now you have to, or maybe leave that, because I can weld that. And then
Okay.
maybe follow this line here, cut there. So straight up with the blade,
Yeah.
and then fix that one up, straight up. And then if you can, make that straight. Not too much down there, yeah?
Like I have to match it up back with the cut.
Yeah, like so make it. So straight up here, cut that.
Yeah.
So how you went over there?
Yeah.
So,
Cut off that piece.
Yeah, cut out that piece. So watch the grinder go in. The grinder will come about there,
Yeah.
and then go this way. And cut out
Okay.
that piece here. And then same as here, follow that line.
Yeah.
Don't go too much
Yeah.
out. Just go there.
Okay.
Come off. Yeah. Give it a go, man.
Yeah. The glass.
Fire your glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be scared. Just slowly, yeah, and hold the machine because now it's going to bounce on you a little bit.
Oh.
So yeah, don't be scared.
Alright.
And just watch your
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, you got it. Good. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you can chop it with the grinder a little bit.
That's really hot.
Tip if you like.
Oh yeah.
Careful. Use the pliers then. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Straight. Good. You do exactly the same as that. See that?
Yeah.
And all you have to do is the blade. So the blade will be running like on an angle,
Yeah.
like so you're not taking too much metal out.
Yeah.
You're just taking the paint off.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
then when we do the top, you do the same thing.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And when I put the new metal, it's easy to weld. Otherwise
Okay.
you can't. It's very hard to weld.
Mhm.
So yeah, just kind of like. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah. So like similar like that. Try to get like that.
Yeah.
You're sweet. Yeah.
Mhm.
Like it?
Yeah. You need sanding more?
Alright, hold on, have a look. Shall we? Yeah, we're gonna go to the top after when I cut the other piece out.
Yeah.
But maybe I'll just cut these three, leave that one there,
Okay.
and then go to the top, and then you do. Oh shit! Then you do the same at the top.
Yeah.
So then I get the piece on the top.
Okay.
I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna weld.
Mm.
Like from the bottom of the top.
Okay.
The thing is trying to get that groove. Very difficult. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It is.
Like, for instance, pass me that. I'll show you. Pass me that. The piece of metal.
Oh.
Metal.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. For instance, look at this. So if I was to, sorry, on it.
Yeah. You go.
Or this one. This one, maybe we'll save it.
Yeah.
We'll use these little cuts first. So if I was to See, not enough room to weld there.
Yeah.
Okay, but for instance, watch this. So if I do this,
Yeah.
you come here
Yeah.
on this side.
Yeah.
There's come over this side. You can feel it.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's
So,
space to them.
and even if I go through this way, so I might have to go from the top. You see?
Yeah.
You know
Seems
what I
like it
mean?
works better there.
Yeah. So if I take it, stitch it there,
Yeah.
it will still be a bit of a. What can I say? Where's the thick part there?
Yeah.
You see, it will still be a bit
Yeah.
of a gap.
Okay. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I realize.
Yeah. So, but it's possible.
Yeah, it is.
It's possible. I just have to maybe stitch it somewhere there
Yeah.
and there, and then as I heat it, at
Yeah.
the same time push it down.
Okay.
Like, you know what I mean? Push it down as I heat it,
Yeah.
and then it should
Melt.
melt together.
Yeah.
I'm hoping. If it doesn't, what happens? I'll put bog on it,
Okay.
or get more metal pieces
Yeah.
if I can find any, and then just slowly metal it on.
Yeah.
It'll look actually,
Yeah, but it works.
it'll work.
Yeah.
And then just sand it down again, and then paint it, and the rust is gone.
Yeah.
That's what you want. You don't want it to get eaten anymore.
Definitely.
Yeah. But it's tricky. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it is for real.
Very tricky. But I don't know if it comes down here. So Ronnie, you know, like would it just that gap there? You see that gap?
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, that's the main one right there.
So if I do the top, looks better. Hey,
Yep.
from the top, right?
Yeah.
That's the only issue there.
True.
Yeah, that's the only issue. So the top's better.
Yeah,
from
it
what's on
seems
the
like
top.
it.
It's going to be difficult because there's not much room up there.
Yeah.
And for this one here, same thing, you know?
Yeah.
It's just a bit of a cut.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
groove, it makes things a bit difficult.
So if I go from the top,
Yeah.
then I can whirl around it.
So I also just cut this one, guys, but unfortunately the GoPro wasn't recording when I thought it was. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna give it a sun now.
You got it, man.
Yeah.
Hey, good job, my goodness. Good boy, Tyrone.
Yeah.
Awesome. Great, good on you, bro.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Good man.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
I'm gonna have to climb up here.
Yeah. Can you make it? Yeah. See you. Hey, Tyrone, you got it, boy. So what the main aim is?
Yeah.
Tyrone,
Yeah.
you fix up all the holes and then sand all the rust spots you can see, like
Oh.
for there.
So doing here and these rust
First do
spots.
that. First do the ones that we done.
Yeah.
And then when you got time, do the other ones around.
Oh, the rust spots.
hole. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just be careful. You maybe yeah. Just be careful you don't. You ain't dent it. You're light. You know what to do. Just don't fall over on anyone.
Yeah.
Take your time, mate.
Yeah.
If you need another blade, I got another one there.
Okay.
It runs out.
Yep.
So yeah, just sand it around like take the paint off and that.
Yeah.
Like the bottom.
Yeah.
About that much. So then when I weld it, it comes together. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
And then just go around and do what you can, what you see.
Yeah. All right.
Sweet. Get that ready.
No problem, bro.
I'll be sanding inside now.
Yeah. Alright, so here we go, guys. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
It's not turning on now.
Oh, battery.
Oh, battery.
That's the battery. You what? Yeah, so you go like this.
Oh, that's so cool. Alright.
Sweet.
Yep.
Hey, up there. How's it looking?
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Alright. If you can peek in here,
Mm-hmm.
see if I can see how I brushed it. Can you have a look now a little bit, yeah? Move a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright. Just the same thing but with the brush.
Yeah. Okay.
Careful,
So that'll smooth the surface.
yeah.
Alright.
Take the paint off. That will kick on you a lot.
Okay.
Be careful, yeah.
Alright, that's true.
Kick on you a lot.
Yep. Yep. Got it up here now?
Yep. See how that goes up there
Okay.
on the top? And keep going.
Oh yeah. Hmm?
The other way?
That way. I think that's the best way it's gonna go, cause it have the groove there already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Yep. You alright?
Yeah.
Yep. You alright? Whoa! Michael Jordan.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright.
Now,
Yeah.
this is good, eh?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well done.
Oh, well done.
Oh, maybe not enough extension.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look.
Short.
Mm,
Short.
too short.
Yeah.
We have another one or no?
I don't think so.
Always make sure you're not working in water.
Yeah.
There's a wire in here.
Yeah.
And then, so what I'll do first, I'll run it officially through that, should work.
Okay.
And then, this guy.
Never see how they actually do these things.
Never?
First time.
So now that we put the battery back in back,
Yeah.
you see how we go, eh?
Yeah.
Careful.
Inside.
Your shoes on. Island.
Inside.
You saying hi to the camera.
Oh yeah. Hey, Boo.
Hi. He says hi.
Hi. I love you.
It's not melting in there, but yeah. Can't look at it, what's that?
Island inside.
You know, I'll make it stick now.
Yeah.
I'll wind it up. Or maybe two. What we got on? We go there. On that one. See how we go. Look nice.
Yeah.
Very happy.
So you guys seen it all. Yeah man, there's plenty more work to do, but you know, for that's it for the day. Yeah man, and hope you guys enjoy watching, and if you guys want to see more content like this, you know, let me know down in the comment section. Yeah man, and please give this video a thumbs up. Yeah man, give thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. I'm out.